Hello everyone, welcome to my channel JSP Studies. Get ready for the dictation. 5 seconds. Start. The rainfall that triggered the recent landslides in Wayanad, killing more than 200 people, were made 10% heavier by human-induced climate change, a new study has found. The study by World Weather Attribution WWA, an international group of researchers, found that the excessive rainfall in the early hours of July 30 that triggered the landslides was once in a 50-year event. Wayanad received 140 mm rainfall in a day on July 30, which the study said was third heaviest single day rainfall event on record for the district. Overall, the available climate models indicate a 10% increase in intensity. Under a future warming scenario where the global temperature is 2 degrees Celsius higher than pre-industrial levels, climate models predict even heavier one-day rainfall events, with a further expected increase of about 4% in rainfall intensity, the study said. It said this would further increase the risk of landslides in the region. The increase in climate change driven rainfall found in this study is likely to increase the potential number of landslides that could be triggered in the future, raising the need for adoption actions that may include the reinforcement of susceptible slopes, landslide early warnings system, and construction of retaining structures to protect vulnerable localities, it said. WWA researchers specialize in assessing the influence of climate change on extreme weather events worldwide. Their earlier studies had concluded that the heat wave in India in April last year, and again in June this year, had also been influenced by climate change. One-day spells of rainfall are increasing in Kerala before climate change, similar downpours in Kerala were incredibly rare. However, in today's climate with 1.3 C of global warming, they are more likely, expected to occur on average about once every 50 years, it said. The study also found that factors such as quarrying for building materials, and a 62% reduction in forest covered in Wayanad between 1950 and 2018, may have contributed to increased susceptibility of the slopes to landslides during heavy rainfall. More stringent assessments of landslides, restraining construction in hillside areas and minimize deforestation and quarrying are needed to avoid similar disasters in the future, it said. এই ভিডিওর পিডিএফ পেতে টেলিগ্রাম গ্রুপে জয়েন করুন। ভিডিওটি ভালো লেগে থাকলে লাইক, শেয়ার এবং সাবস্ক্রাইব করতে ভুলবেন না। থ্যাঙ্কস ফর ওয়াচিং।